Hey there, gorgeous. Welcome back to our channel, your ultimate destination for beauty tips, style inspiration, and all things fabulous. If you're feeling a little bored with your current hairstyle or simply craving a fresh, modern look, then you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the world of medium-length layered haircuts with bangs, the perfect combination of style, movement, and low-maintenance charm. Whether you're looking to add volume, texture, or just want something new that flatters your face shape and personality, we've got a lineup of haircuts that will totally inspire your next salon visit. Let's get into it. Let's start with one of the most timeless and versatile options, straight layers with wispy side bangs. This style is perfect if you're aiming for a clean, polished look with a touch of softness. The straight layers provide a smooth silhouette while giving your hair natural movement and body. Wispy, side-swept bangs gently frame your face and can beautifully soften sharper features. This haircut works wonders whether you're going for an office-ready sleek look or something more casual for everyday wear. Styling is a breeze, blow dry with a round brush for volume, or let it air dry for a laid-back vibe. For that ultra-glossy finish, a flat iron and a dab of shine serum will do the trick. Next up, we have the effortlessly chic feathered layers with side bangs. This look is a must-try for anyone with thicker hair. The feathered layers reduce bulk while adding airy movement that gives your hair life. Side bangs that melt into the layers naturally draw attention to your eyes, making this style not just practical, but incredibly flattering. Add subtle highlights to enhance the layers and bring out that multidimensional texture. This is your go-to for volume, structure, and soft elegance all in one. For a dreamy, romantic feel, look no further than soft mid-length layers with wispy bangs. This cut blends delicate layers throughout the mid-lengths and ends to create a balanced, flattering shape. The light, wispy bangs offer just enough edge while maintaining a gentle appearance. Want some styling magic? Use a large barrel curling iron to form loose waves, then tousle them with your fingers for a soft, touchable texture. Whether you're heading to brunch or a weekend getaway, this look adds a whimsical, feminine touch to your whole outfit. Now, if you're all about texture and a little bit of that I woke up like this energy, tousled layers with bangs are calling your name. These shoulder-length layers are all about movement and dimension. The bangs are shaped to frame your face gently, giving off a carefree, bohemian charm. This cut is ideal for both straight and wavy hair types, offering easy styling and maximum impact. For best results, scrunch in some texturizing mousse and let your hair air dry. No fuss, just fabulous. Want something with an ultra-soft finish that still makes a statement? You'll adore feathered layers. These layers are finely cut to flutter around your face, creating an almost ethereal effect. Long, side-swept bangs boost volume at the crown while highlighting your eyes and cheekbones. This cut is subtly elegant and works beautifully with fine to medium hair. Add some subtle balayage highlights to elevate the texture and give it that sun-kissed sparkle. Craving something a little more edgy and bold? Say hello to shaggy layers with feathered bangs. This cut gives you that retro 70 seconds rock and roll energy with a modern twist. The choppy layers inject tons of volume and movement, transforming even the flattest hair into a voluminous masterpiece. The feathered bangs add softness that balances the edgy vibe, making this look perfect for anyone who wants to make a stylish statement without sacrificing femininity. A bit of sea salt spray and a quick tousle, and you're good to go. Last but definitely not least, for all our silver-haired beauties out there, embrace your natural glamour with textured gray layers with bangs. This cut enhances your gray strands with pride, adding layered dimension and soft, side-swept bangs that frame your face perfectly. It's the ultimate combination of elegance and edge, designed for women who want their natural color to shine without looking flat. The texture helps avoid that helmet hair effect, giving your locks bounce and style at any age. Each of these styles has one goal in mind: to help you express your unique beauty, easily and confidently. Whether your hair is thick or fine, straight or wavy, there's a cut here that's just waiting to transform your look. The secret lies in the layers. They add volume, shape, and a whole lot of personality, while the bangs frame your features and make every haircut feel like it was made just for you. And there you have it, the most stunning medium-length layered haircuts with bangs that are sure to give your style a fresh new twist. Which one is your favorite? Are you leaning towards soft and romantic or bold and textured? Let us know in the comments below. We absolutely love hearing from you. If this video inspired your next haircut, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more beauty and style tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay fabulous.